Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark and this is Skycam Tri-City. Today I'm going to be talking about this bag here, which is the Lowepro BP 150. I use this for my drone and my action cam and all the equipment that I want to carry around with me on a daily basis, so my go-to bag for the daily carry. I did used to use the little bag that comes with the Mavic Mini fly more kit. It's a really nice little bag, hard shell case, but the issue I had with this, first of all, it doesn't have straps. I mean, obviously this one does have straps, but these are the Peak Design straps, the ones where they clip off really easily. Worth buying those straps if you're using this bag. Now the issue I had with this bag, as I was about to say, the problem is I would like to carry with me when I go out with my drone a camera or other bits of equipment. That bag, you can't do that. You have to take and then another bag. So I've been looking around for a long time. This Lowepro BP 150, it's been out on the market for around 4 or 5 years now, so it's nothing new. It's not new to the market, but it's I did look at a lot of reviews. It's a great little bag, and I wanted something really small, really compact, that I could fit everything I wanted to carry in. So I wanted to fit, like my sort of checklist was, I wanted to fit my drone, which at the moment is the Mavic Mini, but I also wanted to have room to be able to upgrade that drone to something bigger in the future. I wanted to bring my action camera, which at the moment is the Osmo Action, and I also wanted at one point to bring my mirrorless camera, or DSLR, which was the Sony a6000. I don't use that one anymore, don't have it now, but all of that did fit in here. Let's have a quick look with what I carry at the moment in this bag. Okay, so now you've seen exactly what I carry in this bag. We'll take a little look at it and see why I like it and why I recommend it for a drone. So ultimately it is a camera bag, but because you've got in the inside where you've got the partitions, you can make those partitions suit your needs and move them around. But I'll show you that in a second. So the bag itself is really sturdy. If it's on a plane or on a train, nothing's gonna damage your equipment inside. It's really well padded, both the sides and the front and the back. One of the good things about the back is it's got extra padding there, so it's really nice feeling when you're walking around it on your back. The material, it's really strong. It's not waterproof, but you can carry one of those waterproof covers for it if you want. Or alternatively, you could just put one of those big massive rain mats on, which will cover the top, a little bit like this. Let's come around to the front again. You've got a front pocket here, which goes to around about there on the bag. Ideal for keys, wallet, even your mobile phone can fit in there. The next section we have opens up to sort of halfway down the bag, and then it folds outwards. In here, obviously you can see I've got my my landing pad at the moment, but you do have multiple pockets which you can put pens in, little, whatever you decide to carry. And this part here is meant for a tablet or an iPad, and it's got this technology where it doesn't go all the way at the bottom of the bag, it sort of floats midway. And what Lowepro say with that is that you can be comfortable knowing that your tablet or iPad is safe. When you drop it on the ground, it's not going to get hit at the bottom. We'll just try it out. Got an iPad here. I'll show you that the iPad just slips in nicely into there, no problem at all. So it's great to have the iPad in there. I'm not too sure whether you can fit a Macbook in there. I've never really tried. I normally carry it in the middle. No, you can't do that, but ideal for the iPad. And then the big section in the middle, zips come all the way down and it opens up like this. So you can see all of the spaces, the sponge, quite tough sponge, these side ones, and you can move them around. They're all covered in Velcro on the sides, so you can change exactly where you want to put it. I've got this set up because I like my drone in the middle. It's got a bit of foam there just to try and protect it a bit more. And then I put, you can see where I put things, you make it the way you want. That's obviously just my action camera accessories in there. But this top part with the zip, if you can just see that there, this extends down if you want, so you can put more things in and have them covered over. If I have in the past pulled it down and just rolled up a jacket or a t-shirt, spare t-shirt, and put it in there. At the moment it's just got all the cables and little tripods and things in there. Flip that back up, put that back in. What's nice about in here is the protection around the sides, and just knowing when you're carrying the bag that your equipment is fully protected. There's also, if I just spin it around so you can see, on the top here there's a little section for your memory cards. It's really handy to have if you've travelled with a lot of memory cards. It's great to have. Inside I've had my drone, all the spare batteries, 3 spare batteries, the remote control for the drone, ND filters for the drone, action camera accessories, a few of the bits and pieces I can't remember. And then I've also had in the past my Sony a6000 mirrorless camera, and all of that fit perfectly. You can also just fit, so this is a smaller version MacBook Pro, 13-inch I think. That can just sit on the top there, close it over, and it fits perfectly. So if you are going to travel and you're on an aeroplane, something like that, then you can comfortably take your MacBook Pro with you. I'm not too sure where the MacBook Air fits, so let's just quickly test that as well while we're here. Take this one out, and we'll try the MacBook Air. This is again the smallest version, the 13-inch, but obviously it's got the bezel around the screen. It's a bit tighter, but you can just get it in. So just, and I mean just. So you can travel, as I've just shown you, you can travel with your iPad and your MacBook Pro 13-inch comfortably. It'll be put a bit more weight in the bag obviously, but it's still going to be comfortable for you. You might notice on the sides you've got the little clips. I use these for added protection. What they're meant for is when you put the tripod in this little mesh pocket, the tripod's up here, you can clip the tripod in, which I've used in the past, but I don't often take the tripod or the big tripod anywhere with me. So what I use these for is protection, just for my own personal security, that nobody can then unzip the bag as I'm walking. So it's a nice added bit of protection, or obviously for your tripod. These mesh pockets on both sides will easily hold a water bottle, umbrella, tripod, whatever else you want to carry, to be honest. The strap's fully adjustable, and these are padded as well, so they do feel really good when they're on your shoulder. And because it's really small and compact, it's really nice and easy to carry about, so for your everyday use. Trying to think anything else that I found that's really good with this bag. It's just, for me, it's totally recommended. I've got nothing to do with Lowepro in terms of affiliation or Amazon or anybody who even sells this bag, but it's a good price. Shop around and find the best price. I don't have any affiliate links to put down below, but you can find it pretty much everywhere. B&H Photo, wherever you want to go and shop, Amazon, wherever. This bag for me is my favorite bag, and I do take it everywhere with me now. So I'll always have my drone, my action cam with me wherever I go, even if I'm just going to work, or even if I'm going to the shop. I always put it in the car, just in case something happens, or in case I want to start shooting something, I'm ready for whatever might happen. That's about it, to be honest. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more reviews, or you want to see some of the action I get with the drone, some of the footage, and in the future I'm going to be doing more cinematic kind of stuff, maybe like a vlog, daily type vlog thing, So please hit the subscribe button. Should be down there or maybe down there. Hit the subscribe button and that will really help me out. And if you did like this video and like the content, then please hit the thumbs up as well, because that will really help me. And if you leave a comment, I will definitely reply as soon as possible. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.